class, today I want to show you how to make an easy Taiwanese snack that I grew up with using one of the most popular fruits in Taiwan, mangoes. Aside from the famous mango-shaped ice, pickled green mangoes are also a favorite snack sold by Taiwanese street vendors year-round. Here are the ingredients. First, peel the skin of about 5 to 6 young green mangoes. Then cut them in half and scoop the pit out with a spoon. Young mangoes have pretty soft pits, so it should be pretty easy to cut. Next, cut the mangoes into thin, long slices. Pickled green mangoes, or芒果青in Mandarin, are sometimes called 情人果, which translates to lover's fruit. This etymology is actually derived from India, where mangoes have been the symbol of love. In Hindu mythology, love arrives with the blossoming of the mango tree. Kama, the god of love, tips his arrow with the 5 flowers, and one of them, the mango blossom. In addition, the taste of young green mango that is sweetened with sugar is similar to the sweet and tart feeling of falling in love. Put the sliced mango into a large Ziploc bag. Add some salt, which will help draw out the moisture in the mango and preserve the fruit. Shake up the bag so the salt is distributed onto all the mango slices. Let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes and then pour out the mangoes into a colander. We will be rinsing off the salt with filtered water. Rinse a few times until all the salt has been washed off. Once the water runs clear, it should be ready. The traditional way of making the snack is usually full of sugar. To make it more healthier, we will be replacing sugar with milk-free sweetener or any other sugar replacements you prefer. Next, add some unsweetened fruit-flavored carbonated water, preferably like a lemon-lime flavor or something citrusy. You can also use Diet Sprite or 7-Up. Pour enough carbonated water to cover and submerge the mangoes. Then add a drizzle of lemon juice. Add some Taiwanese dry plum powder. This is optional but highly recommended because it will give your pickled mangoes a uniquely wonderful tanginess that helps balance flavors. Cover the pickled mangoes and we will be pickling them overnight in the fridge. I originally stored them in a large bowl but later moved them back into the Ziploc bag because it was taking up too much fridge space. Regardless how you store it, you would just leave it in the brine overnight. Then remove from the fridge and drain out the brine. No need to rinse this time around as you want that sweet brine to coat the mangoes. The end result should be crunchy with the perfect balance of sweet and tartness. Some people freeze them and then use them to top shaved ice, but they are also just as great to snack alone. Hope you enjoyed this delicious snack from my home country. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.